Hey guys, it's Tori. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. So I'm going to make a shirt for Valentine's Day, and I have my image all set up, and what we're going to do is hit make it, and let me turn this on over here. And then since it's an iron-on, we have to reverse mirror the image. So I'm just going to go through all of it really quick and hit mirror image. Okay, so I'm doing black first for the letters, and the shiny side goes down, and this is the non-shiny side. So let's go ahead, and I always like to use a brayer because it helps it stick to the mat, so you don't have to use tape. Okay, so now we're ready for the pink, and this is the shiny side. You can kind of see the reflection, and then the more dull side. And so we're gonna put the shiny side down. Now we're doing the last one. Let's turn it this way. And shiny side down. Okay, so now we're gonna weed and do this. Okay, so we're all set up. I have the shirt and I have a Cricut matte pad, like the heat resistant pad, in between the shirt. And I'm gonna go ahead and put the first layer down, and there's 3 layers. So let's do the first one. And I'm going to use my Cricut press for 30 seconds. Okay, and then we're gonna take this off when it's really hot. Okay, and then we're going to do the next one. Let me turn the temp down because it is really hot. I'm going to do it at 330. Okay, so now we're going to put this on. Okay, and then now all we have is the lettering. Okay. Okay, let's take it out of here and see what it looks like. It looks awesome on my end, so let me turn it around and show you guys. Isn't that cute? It's so cute. It turned out awesome. Okay, so thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Let me know if you like this shirt. Tell me what you think about it. Bye.